Well, there was just an almighty thunder crack, and as you can see, the weather has just picked up really bad. Check this out. Wow, you see it's coming in bad. Check that out. Damn. It's coming down a bit. Yeah. I think we'll stay in here nice and dry and warm. Definitely looks like the storm is coming. And while the storm rages on, I'll post some stuff to Instagram. As you do. Yeah. Get a bit of Instagram work done. Bit of content creating. Yeah. Anyway, it's nice and warm in here. Diesel heater is working fantastic. And I'm going to go back to chilling out and listening to the weather, because it is actually nice listening to the rain. But I tell you what, when I open that door, it's bloody cold out there. It certainly makes a difference having that diesel heater. Oh, lovely, nice and toasty. I've even had to turn it down. It was that toasty. It's only a small van, isn't it? And by mistake, I bought a 5 kilowatt instead of a 2 kilowatt. Really, because for a van this size, 2 kilowatts fine, 5 kilowatts too big. So it's running on number 3, I think. So it's not running at full speed. Don't need to. Anyway, see you in a bit. Good morning. Well, it was supposed to snow last night, and if you can see on the window, a little bit of sleet, which is basically all it did. Let's have a look outside. So, as you can see, there is a bit of sleet coming down. It's pretty grim out there, doesn't it? If you're wondering what all these big tyre tracks are here, about 10 o'clock last night there were some dickheads in 4-wheel drives messing about. To be fair, they only stayed about 10 minutes, which was not too bad. Right now, I need a coffee. Got a little bit of rum from last night, and my coffee, my water boiling. So I'm going to have a nice Irish coffee to wake me up. Perfect. Nice hot coffee and rum. Incidentally, it's actually coffee flavoured rum. My son's going to kill me because he bought it me for Christmas. So I did drink it all last night, but I had a little bit left and I thought, why not? Bit of a winter warmer in the morning. And try and decide what to do. I'm hoping it's going to snow quite a bit. Because if it snows really well, I can go out and do some nice walking in the snow, which would be nice. So we'll have to see. So stay tuned. Might snow, might not. Looks like it will do though. Oh look. It is actually snowing. Not a lot though. I don't know if you can pick that up on the camera. That's cool. Tell you what though, it's bloody cold out there. Oh. Yeah. So snow's coming down, so nice. That's what I've been waiting for. This is a unique trick for you. Always carry a pair of tongs. Quick, toasty. Don't put it too close or it burns. Look at that, cheese is all nice and melty. Beautiful. There you go. Nice cheese toaster. Oh yeah, as well. Perfect for a winter morning. Probably should have put some brown sauce in it actually as well. Never mind. Proper snowing now. Merry Christmas. Belated. Well, beautiful, isn't it? Snowing. That's what I wanted. Gorgeous. This is actually a really great park up. If you know where it is, you know where it is. If you don't, go explore. Can't always give the best park ups away, but last time I came here it was summertime, and from about 6 o'clock in the morning people were like coming down. Now, bit of snow, quiet as the graveyard. So I'm going to go for a wander and explore my winter wonderland. It's beautiful. Don't you think snow just makes everything look more pretty and cleaner? Tell you what, whoever made that's brave, aren't they? You look at the thickness of the branch it's on. That won't take the weight of a 3-year-old, but that one might do. Someone's having some fun in the summer, I think, haven't they? Now, as beautiful as it is, one thing I haven't actually considered while I'm walking along, the snow's quite thick actually underfoot. Can't get my words out. The other thing is, can I get the van out? I have got new tyres on it, so should be okay. But yeah, we shall see. Might be a bit of fun. I don't actually know how thick it's going to come down. There's kind of clear skies over there, so might be alright. We'll find out. If not, we'll just go and knock on some farmer's door and say, help me please. Beautiful though, and it's so peaceful as well. See, keeps everybody aware, doesn't it? Shows you how cold the water is, doesn't it? That the ice hasn't actually melted on it, the snow. Look how beautiful that is. That is awesome. Remember what I was telling you about Woodhead Pass? When it's snowing, they close it. All the wagons over there. crawling along at like 5-10 mile an hour, if you can see them all. It's like there's about 4 or 5 going down the hill there, a few going up. Very slow traffic. You just hear the screech of air brakes in the distance. I wonder if that means they've shut Woodhead Pass and all the wagons going up have to turn around and come back down. Must be a ball ache, that. Must be a big turning circle up there. Otherwise you can't do a 3-point turn in a wagon, can you? Not on one of these little roads anyway. Anyway, let's go and heading down to, I think it's Bottom's Reservoir at the bottom. Aptly named at the bottom. I think that's the one with the big pump thing, so hopefully that'll be gushing a load of water out. Let's go and have a look. Beautiful though, isn't it? It's like being in the Canadian Rockies. Not that I never know, because I've never been. You can see an ambulance coming down there. I think he's going to have a bit of a struggle getting through. Must be a nightmare for them guys at this time of year. Yeah, I was right. This is Bottom's Reservoir. Looks like the pump's not firing anything out today. Water level must be quite down. And there is the picturesque little village of Tintwistle. Yeah. I wonder if when it's flooding, all that fills with water. Looks like it should, doesn't it? Tell you what, I wish I brought some gloves, my hands are freezing. You can see all the water coming out over there. Not enough to fire the pump though, unfortunately. Awesome though, isn't it? Another marvel of Victorian engineering. Gotta love them, haven't you? Now, this one's a bit different, isn't it? Like, there's 3 that are similar. Well, this is the only one that's got a coat of arms on it. That's awesome. That's like a... that's a griffin. A griffin and a lion. There's a sailing ship in the middle of the coat of arms. That's beautiful, that. If anybody knows who the coat of arms belongs to, let me know please. That is awesome. And you got a planet on the top. That's pretty cool, that. And then the griffin has a ring on its tail. Oh shit. That's not actually his tail, is it? Oh no, it's his mane. Just the way it was done there, looks like it's got a cock ring on. Looks like a cock with a ring. But it's actually, it's mane coming down with a ring on the bottom. That is pretty cool. That could be pretty misconstrued, couldn't it? Concilio et labor. Oh, it's a chain. It's chained with a ring on it. Why has it got a chain round its neck? See, when you look at it more closely, you see the detail. Look at that. The planet actually has butterflies on it. Sailing ship, butterflies, griffin, lion. There's got to be some hidden meaning there somewhere. Looking at the griffin, it looks like it probably would have had a beard. Bit of a goatee going on. Awesome. Whoever carved that? Masterpiece. Beautiful. Love stuff like that. Anyway, let's crack on. Well, looks like I'm coming to the end of the trail. So, this is the path that I need to come back up with my little van, if she makes it. And that's not too bad. Should get up there alright, I think. I'm going to go back this way and walk in the reservoir. Yeah. Always take the scenic route if you can. That's my motto. It's like motorways. I hate driving on motorways. If I have to go somewhere, put in the sat nav and then put avoid motorways. Can't stand them. All they do is bore you and put you to sleep. I'd rather take the scenic route, get there half an hour later. Sometimes it's actually a shorter route, but you get there a bit later, but you get to see more, don't you? You get to pass places and think, that'd be a great place to stop. You can't do that with a motorway, can you? I don't actually see any benefit to a motorway. You get stuck in traffic jams. If you need fuel, it's twice as much as it is anywhere else. And yeah, sometimes it's longer. Beautiful, isn't it? That shows you how cold the water is, doesn't it? It's not even melting the ice, and it's only hail. Awesome. Well, so there's a little picnic area there. See, didn't notice that before. Summertime, be nice to come and have a picnic there, wouldn't it? Do I go that way? Do I go that way? That way? Or that way? I don't actually know. I'll go this way. Stick to the riverside, or the waterside, so to speak. Now, it did say on the plaque down there that when all these reservoirs were constructed, that it formed not only the largest man-made water system in the world, but also Europe's first conservation area, or the world's first conservation area, which kind of brings home, like up there you can see there's a little bird hide, there's little birds' nests in the trees everywhere, emphasising the conservation of the area. Nice, isn't it? Beautiful. If they hadn't done that, it'd probably all be built up by now. So, thank you for not building up a beautiful area, as they seem to be doing recently. I'm not sure who's conserving the plastic bag. Well, I think I'm going to leave it here, guys. I've had fun. It's been nice getting out again. What a beautiful place to come to, and I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, give us a like. But yeah, thank you to everybody who subscribed to me last year and the year before. Everybody who watches my videos. Nice to know somebody out there enjoys my content. So thank you. Stay safe out there. And I will try and be more regular with my uploads now. New year, new start. Back on it. Van's had a lick of paint. Van's looking good. I'm still the same. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Adios.